Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit. And in this video, where we are covering Java interview questions, we are going to cover one more important uh, interview question, which is reversing the order of words in a string. Okay, so let's take an example over here. So let's suppose we have been given one um, string of, let's suppose, reverse order of words in a string. Okay, so let's suppose we have been given this word, this string, and we want to reverse the order of it of the string. So that's it. I mean, we don't want to reverse each of the words, but we want output in this format. Okay, output is this, and this is going to be input. Okay, so we want our output in this format. Just we want this string first, then a first, then words first, words again, then of, then order, then reverse. Okay, so this is the output we expect. Okay, so let's for that I have created this class reversing order of words in a string. So here let me create one more method, public static void. I will name it reverse order. Okay, and in here we are going to receive one string. Okay, a string. Let's name this as str. So what we are going to see is so basically what we are receiving over here is we have each word with the spaces, right? So in order to reverse this, if you have watched my previous video of array where I have explained how to reverse an array, you see this was the one. So basically in here again, if you see, we have reversed one array in the we have printed array elements in the reverse order. So over here, the same concept we are going to do. Okay, so if you have not watched my previous video related to the reversing array, then it will be helpful for you. Go and watch that, and it is going to help to understand this. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to, we are going to store each of the words in an array. Okay, in an array. So how to do that? We first want each of the words separated by space. Okay, so how to do that? We just want that to be, and there is one split um, method available which comes from the string class. So if you see, that comes from a string class over here. Okay, so a string and what it gives the array of a string after splitting it. Okay, so it is going to split it, but what we need to do, we need to give it on what basis basically you want to split this. Okay, so we have given that we are going to give this or split this in as per the spaces in between the string. Okay, so once we receive the split, so it is going to give us the string array. Okay, so we are going to store that in the string array. Okay, so str array. Okay, so we are going to get this, and once we get this, then simply what we have to do, we need to print it in the reverse order. Okay, so let's see whether we get the elements or not. So for printing each of the elements, let's do this in this way instead of Okay, so we can use any of the loop. Okay, so sorry. So for each loop we can use, so it has said that so string str array, so or we can name this word. Okay, so here we are going to print this word. Okay, so let me put this in this way, and we are printing each of the word. Okay, so with this each of the word are going to be words are going to be printed in the next line like that. Okay, because we haven't called this method reverse order, that's why it is not printing anything. So let's call this method, and in here we need to pass this input, Control C, and in here within this we are going to pass this. Okay, so with this it is going to print each of the words in the same line, next line. The same what we are going to do now, we want this, so we don't want now this to be printed, we just want this to be printed in the reverse order, right? So for that, let's use index, okay, str length array. So how to reverse this? So we are going to run this from the length -1, because I have explained because we get so length of this string array is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is the length, but index will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so that's why we want this. We don't want to get the index out of bound, that's why we want this. So it greater than equals 0, and I minus minus we want, because we are printing from the back side. And now we want to print it, but this time we don't want to print in different lines, we want print it in the same line. So so str array of I, okay, of I we want to print. But with this, after printing each of the word, we want to give some space. Okay, so I am introducing some space also, and with this it is going to print reversed string. Okay, so in this case you see a string a in words. Okay, so in is here, so string a in words of order reverse. So it is in the reverse order of this. Okay, so that was all in this video. I hope you liked the solution. If you like it, please like, comment. If you have any other solution to this question. And that was all. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.